Is your contacts are missing from your iPhone contacts after the iOS 18 update? I can feel it, but don't worry folks, in this video I've covered up how to get back missing contacts on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1, add contacts account. Go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on apps. Next, tap on contacts. Now tap on contacts account. Then tap add accounts from here. Now simply add an account to bring back your contacts. Solution 2, check iCloud contacts. Open up the settings, then tap on Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud. Here you will find the Saving as Paused section. Now tap on See All Next to the Saving as Paused section. Now scroll down again and find the contacts. Make sure to toggle on the contacts. If it's already on, try turning it off and then back on. This can sometimes refresh the connection and bring your contacts back. If still you have the same problem, then follow my next solution. Solution 3, reset all settings. Open up the settings again, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap General. Now scroll down again. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Then tap Reset all settings again. And that's it. Hope your iPhone missing contacts issue is solved. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comments section below. Thanks a bunch for watching.